Welcome to this course on ChatGPT, the fastest growing and maybe most disruptive app in history. Many people are afraid of it, but with this course, my colleague Manuel and I want to make sure that you don't have to be afraid, but that you instead can use ChatGPT and similar AI chatbots to your advantage, to boost your productivity. Because when used correctly, that's exactly what these tools can do for you. And therefore, whilst preparing this course, we explored all these different concepts and best practices and approaches you find out there and condensed them all into this course to give you the best learning resource for ChatGPT and these AI chatbots in general, so that by the end of the course, you're able to leverage these tools and work more productively. For that, we of course also prepared many demos and examples, and hence I'd say let's not waste any time and let's instead get started with ChatGPT.
Hello again, also from my side. ChatGPT is a web-based AI, so artificial intelligence, chatbot. And you can chat with ChatGPT about any topic. It can draft emails for you, it can summarize articles, it can write code for you, and so much more. Getting started with ChatGPT is incredibly easy. Just go to openai.com, the website of OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, open the menu and select ChatGPT. After creating your free account, you are ready to write your first so-called prompt, so the text that you want to send to ChatGPT. Let's assume you are working on a mobile app development project and your client wants to have the latest status update from your side via email. You could write this email on your own, but why don't you let ChatGPT do this for you? You always add the information or the message that you want to share in ChatGPT, the so-called prompt, down here in this message box. So for our mobile app development project, we could state that we are working on the last key features, that the project is 10% above budget, and that the project is planned to finish in Q3. So this is what should be discussed in our email. Now ChatGPT needs a bit more information, so we can add that we need a short summary for our client regarding the current mobile app project status. That's all we need. Now we can send this prompt to ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT drafts this email for us. We didn't specifically ask for an email, still based on the actual context of our prompt, ChatGPT interpreted this as an email outlook that we are looking for, which is correct. It came up with a title in the email and it summarized all the features that we named in our prompt. Now we can of course also refine this email and add more information to it. ChatGPT is context aware. This means inside a specific conversation, inside a specific chat, ChatGPT memorizes what we discussed earlier. So we could, for example, change our placeholder for the client name. For this, we add this prompt. Our client's name is James Green. And now ChatGPT automatically adds the name of our client, James, in our email. Now, as mentioned, we can further refine this. We can also add additional points to this email. We could change the tone. We could, of course, also add our name and our role. So we can basically further and further refine this email. Still, this is just a first overview of ChatGPT to show you how it works in a nutshell. We'll, of course, dive a lot deeper in this course. ChatGPT is for free, so everybody that created an account can use it. If we have a look at this upgrade plan option down here, we see that ChatGPT also comes with different paid plans. To follow along this course and to learn how you can use ChatGPT in your own projects, the free version is totally sufficient. Still, in the next lecture, I want to guide you through these different versions to show you what version might be the right one for your specific ChatGPT project. As mentioned, OpenAI doesn't only offer the free ChatGPT version, but also paid plans like the Plus version. Let me give you a quick overview of the different options that you have. The different pricing models depend on the features you need, and also whether you are a single user or if you want to use ChatGPT in bigger teams in an organization, for example. For single users, ChatGPT has two pricing plans available. The free plan is the default plan everybody can access when creating a ChatGPT account. This is great to get started. It has some limitations though. For example, it only uses the default GPT 3.5 model, so the basic AI model, so to say, OpenAI offers. If you need a more powerful model, which also comes with additional features, you can subscribe to the Plus plan. The Plus plan uses the GPT-4 model, which currently is the most powerful AI model OpenAI offers in ChatGPT, and it also provides some advanced features like the usage and creation of GPTs. These are custom versions of ChatGPT, which we'll explore in this course. And you'll also have features implemented like DALL-E for image creation. You have access to web browsing, and you can perform data analysis, so you can run and execute code directly in ChatGPT. The free plan is for free. The Plus plan, though, costs $20 per month and per user at the point in time when I'm recording this video. Attached to this video, you can also find the link to the pricing page, so check the prices before subscribing to any paid plan. Once we leave the single user case and dive into a more corporate environment, the team plan is the next step for small to medium-sized teams. This team plan comes with all features the Plus plan offers, but additionally provides higher message caps. This means you can add longer messages and longer prompts to ChatGPT. And it also offers sharing and admin features. So if you want to collaborate on projects and if you want to administrate the usage of ChatGPT inside your team, then this plan is definitely worth a look. For this plan, you have to pay $30 per user and per month. And once we dive into the large corporate space, ChatGPT also offers enterprise plans. This plan comes with unlimited high-speed access to ChatGPT. In the Plus and Team plan, you have restrictions regarding the amount of messages, the amount of prompts you can send within a certain time period. You also get an expanded context, so ChatGPT can memorize, so to say, more information in a specific chat, in a specific conversation. And you also get enterprise privacy features. For example, your data that you use in your enterprise model will not be used to train the ChatGPT AI model. The pricing for this plan is on request only. In your free ChatGPT account, you can always check the alternatives directly here in the upgrade plan option. There you get an overview of the additional features and also of the current pricing. We'll explore the differences between the GPT 3.5 and the GPT 4 model a bit later in this course. To follow along this course, the free ChatGPT version is totally fine. So this version will be sufficient to understand all core concepts taught in this course. We will use the Plus version though when recording this course, because we also want to dive into the additional tools offered in this version. But these more advanced tools only affect a minor part of the course. Therefore, as mentioned, get started with the free version. This is totally fine to learn how to work with ChatGPT in this course.
Now, this course focuses primarily on ChatGPT, simply because it was basically the first of all these AI chatbots, and definitely the one that started this entire wave of powerful AI chatbots and this AI hype that we're seeing since the end of 2022, but also because ChatGPT, at least in our experience, often tends to perform best when comparing these different AI chatbots, especially when using ChatGPT Plus and the latest GPT model. Though I also want to emphasize that what you learn in this course will be relevant to you and will help you no matter if you're using ChatGPT Plus or not, because the techniques will be the same. But of course, ChatGPT isn't the only AI chatbot. Instead, there are popular alternatives, which we'll also explore in greater detail throughout this course, like the Microsoft Copilot, which previously was called Bing Chat. Microsoft Copilot is another AI chatbot, which actually uses the same GPT models ChatGPT uses under the hood, because there is this strong connection and collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI. And just like ChatGPT, there also is a paid version of Microsoft Copilot, which gives you, for example, priority access to the most powerful GPT models. It is worth noting, though, that unlike with ChatGPT, at least at the point of time where I'm recording this, you can get started with Microsoft Copilot for free and even without an account. You only need to pay if you want that priority access, but we'll also take a closer look at Copilot later in the course. Another alternative would be Google Gemini, which is Google's AI chatbot, and we'll also take a closer look at that later in the course. You can use it if you have a Google account, and just as with all the other AI chatbots, there is a paid, more powerful version. And there are more options, like Anthropic's Claude AI chatbot and models, which we'll also explore briefly later in the course. But the main takeaway simply is that you have different options and that it is of course up to you which AI chatbot you like the most or you want to use. In this course, we'll focus on ChatGPT, but of course the prompting techniques you'll learn and all the tips and tricks we'll share here will apply not just to ChatGPT, but actually to all these AI chatbots. Because in the end, it is always about getting these AI chatbots to do what you want them to do.